Hello, welcome once again. My name's Gummy Roach. Thanks for tuning in. This is another unboxing video. I recently bought a new graphics card for my editing computer, and with the graphics card I figured it was probably a good idea to upgrade the power supply as well. Make sure that I've got enough juice, enough power to handle the graphics card. So I ordered this from Amazon yesterday afternoon and it arrived yesterday evening. That's pretty darn fast. So yeah, very excited. So this is made by Corsair. They make some very good products. So this is a SFL series, SF850L. So I believe this means 850 watts. So this is a modular unit, which means that I only need to plug in the cables that I'm going to use instead of having a great big tangled up mess. Of course, even if it wasn't modular, it's not a huge deal because I've got one of those cases that has the so-called basement that they call it. You know, it's got this little compartment at the bottom of the unit that conceals all the cables and all the wires, hides everything. But modular is still nice, it's just neater. And so you only use what you need instead of having all these extra cables. So yeah, let's take a look at this packaging real quick. Not much to see there. There's that power play. Okay. All right. Okay. And it does come with the cabling, as we shall see. I'm told that most power supplies do come, most modular power supplies come with the cabling. So not like you typically have to buy extra cables. In some cases, maybe, you know, if you got like a custom color on your case, you can get power cables that will plug in, you know, the colors that you want. Some of them might even have cables that are RGB, but because this is going into an editing machine, I don't really care about RGB. Notice once again, when I'm opening this, I'm cutting away from me, not towards me. Everybody does it wrong, including me sometimes. Supposed to go away from you. All right, so there's no point in saving this plastic covering, so I'm just gonna open this Tasmanian Devil style. Just like you do Christmas morning, you know. Tear into it. Okay, so what do we got here? This. Try to get it centered. Okay. Safety and compliance information. Okay. I don't know who actually reads these, but yeah, all right. Okay, you probably should read it, but yeah, anyway. Okay, cable ties. Looks like quite a few of them too. That's good supply of cable ties. It's also got some screws. Now, I believe the screws on here, they're in this little bag. You probably can't see too well on the camera, but the screws, I think, is because it's got this little mounting plate. So you mount the plate on the power supply and then slide it into your computer case, and then, you know. All right. And, ooh, silicone. This is just a drying agent. Don't eat this stuff, but it's to keep moisture, or try to keep moisture out of the box during shipping. All right. So, nice heavy-duty power cord. Now, I mean, what can I say about a power cord? You know, seen one, you've seen them all, pretty much. All right. It looks like it's generous in length. The standard power cord. I wouldn't say it's extremely long, but yeah, long enough to reach outlets. So, okay. And big package of cabling. And we'll go over the cables here in a moment. Okay. So, let's take this out of the box. All right. So we've got, it's packaged in styrofoam. Dun, 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 dun. And packaged in plastic. All right. Okay. You know, this thing is smaller than I had thought it was going to be. The pictures advertised on Corsair's website, it makes it look like this is a pretty large unit, but this is actually quite small compared to other power supplies that I've played with, that I've dealt with. This is the SF850L. Okay. And yeah, it just, I mean, look how that fits in my hand. Wow. You know, most other power supplies are a lot taller, but yeah, this is pretty compact. So the nice thing about that is this will probably fit in most computer cases, where some of the larger ones, the taller ones, probably would not. And you might not have the room for air circulation on some of those if you mount them in the basement of your case. But this one's nice. I can probably mount it. I think I will mount this with the fan pointing down, because there is a vent on the bottom of my case, so I'll probably mount it upside down. But yeah, okay. So over here, this little pull down sticker. Okay, standard computer power connector, and then on off switch, which is standard on most units. Okay, yeah, very nice. Over here on the side, this is where you plug all those cables in. So we've got the standard 24 pin for the power supply, for the mainboard power, and we've got, let me get my glasses out because I'm not as young as I once was. Some of you youngins might be laughing, but your day's coming. All right, you youngins. Okay, we have, let's see if I can read it. I did have it right. Okay. PCI connectors, 1, 2, 3, 4. SATA over here. 4. I don't know. But anyway, it's got, I don't know what they are, but it's got plenty of connections. So let's talk about the what actually shipped with the cable. And the nice thing, like I said, with these, the nice thing, like I said about the modular is you only plug in the cables that you're going to need. You don't need to plug in every single cable they're shipped with normally. So let's see what cables came in this bag. All right. So this one here, this looks like a adapter for the video card, if I'm not mistaken. Now these cables are a bit on the stiff side. I wouldn't say they're just, you know, stiff as a board, but you know, there's flexibility. You obviously don't want to kink these cables when you use them. Okay. Let's see how long this is also, to give you an idea of cable length. Some of these cables might actually be a little bit longer than others, but there's that. Okay. All right. And this one here is SATA connections. Let's undo that. All right. So, yeah. SATA. If I can do it. All right. Oh well. So we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA connectors right here. So that's pretty generous. This right here is the power cord, the main board, main power to the main board. Okay, And yeah, it's got some play in it. You can bend it. Okay. What else we got? I'm not sure what that is. Okay. And it will say on the packaging, but there's lots of cables on here. This looks the same as this other one pretty much. Well, no, it's a little bit different. Okay, so really, depending on your needs, pretty much you're covered as far as cables. There's all kinds. There's an assortment of different connectors on here, so pretty good chance that whatever you need, the cable's going to be included for it. Okay. Yeah. And oh, we even have, remember the old school MOLLE connectors? They were typically white and they had red, yellow, black wires on here. You'll see those in the old clunker 386 machines and older. But there's still some devices, they're legacy in today's day. But yeah, you're covered with those. You've got the legacy connectors, the MOLLE connectors. So, wow. Pretty generous. And then these are SATA, yeah, more SATA connectors. Now these are slightly different than those other SATA. The other ones I think were L. Yeah, these right here were L-shaped. I don't know if you can. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is yeah, L-shaped, where these over here go straight in. So, like I said, whatever your needs are, you're covered. You've got all the cables you're going to need. I would think for most uses. So yeah, that's it. That is the Corsair SF850L. Looks like a very good, very well built power supply, and I hear it's very quiet too in operation. So yeah, so I'm gonna shut the cameras down and put everything together. Thank you once again for tuning in. Hope this was, entertaining, I guess, maybe informative. All right, I enjoy doing these. It's a learning experience, video editing, and yeah, I might actually get good at it one of these days. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Catch you later. Bye. Okay, everyone, I'm back with an important update. Remember, I had bought that replacement power supply to go with my brand new GPU. And when I took that power supply out and examined it, when I took it out of the box, I noticed that the power supply was a little bit smaller than the typical ones. I didn't know that there are a couple of different style factors on power supplies. I had bought a FX style, not knowing that what I really needed was a ATX. Oh, and by the way, this is Carmen. She's my adorable little tabby cat. She wanted attention, so I thought, okay, fine, you can be in the video. You like that? Yeah. Okay, so what I needed was this style here. This is the RM750 instead of what I had previously. So this has pretty much the same amount of cables and connectors. I'm not going to take it out of the box because it's already in my system. I've got the old original power supply in the box right now, but this is what I needed, was an ATX. You'll see up here in the corner ATX, and what I had before was an SX something, which was smaller. And the problem that I had with the SX, I'm sure that if I had a smaller computer cabinet, the SX probably would have worked just fine. But because I have a tower system, the cables that come with the SX model power supply the cables are too short. So I made that mistake. I had to RMA it, and I bought this one in place of it. The ATX is what I needed. So typically, unless you've got a miniature cabinet, you're going to want an ATX style instead of SX. I can't be the only person who's made that mistake. I went to put it in the computer case and went to hook it up with the cables, and wouldn't you know it, some of the cables simply were too short and would not reach. I could not plug in my brand new graphic card, the GPU. I thought, dang. So yeah, don't make that mistake. I already made that mistake for you, so you don't have to. When you order a replacement power supply, make sure under normal conditions, normal situations, that your power supply is an ATX and not an SF. There is a difference. Okay, that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again in another video probably. All right, see you later. Bye.